Sons Enterprise has been a family business entity specialized in the field of automobile parts and accessories that were primarily and jointly initiated by the most dedicated couple. These are Shri Marbai Kiwat Yakai and Srimati Turoy Kandai. The couple who strongly believe that to be the winner in life, one need to dream far and beyond. As the saying goes, sky is not the limit. The couple who were the parent of 5 siblings and my most beloved in-laws, who were the strong pillars of our Kandai family and its whole business entity, who humbly starts their life from the scratch. And with one dedicated step ahead, they are moving on and they never look back. Beating courageously all odds that comes their way and becoming the most successful business couple of today. Presently, under their constant guidance and supports, the children had taken over to steer ahead the family business legacy prosperously today, tomorrow, and 1,000 miles ahead. Tata Authorized Service Station has been one new milestone of a family business. This project was initiated by my brother-in-law sitting to my left, Master Shomi Welborn Kandai, fondly known as Macho, the third son of the family, whose sincerity, passion, and enthusiasm for business had helped this project seize the light of its day. This task has been conceptualized in the early part of 2019. It was supposed to be open and become fully operational last year, 2020. But as we all aware, that due to the outbreak of global pandemic, COVID-19 last year, that puts the whole world for a while in a complete standstill, where global economy, business entities, and lifestyle have been severely affected, and the whole global scenario has been transformed into a new dawn of an era. This project has to be kept on hold for quite some time till today. Indeed, as a family of MH and Sons Enterprise, there's nothing much to lament, but rather we glorify and thank God the Almighty for all His love and grace, who had also been the constant source of support in our business journey till this very day, the 23rd March 2021, the day that brought us all here to share our happiness as well as to cheer the joyous grand opening of Tata Authorized Service Station that was commissioned here in Pramer Village, 8 mile of West Jaintia Hills District, Meghalaya.
There are entrepreneurs from our own district who are able to achieve such a monumental task in constructing such a huge facility and in setting up such a complex business. So I congratulate the Kandai family for taking this initiative in order to serve the people of the district and also the state as a whole. As you know, we have all seen our district is a very commercialized district. We can see the amount of trucks the amount of heavy transport vehicles which passes through this very national highway, which is just next to the authorized service center. You can see thousands of commercial vehicles passing through every day. These vehicles will be requiring service and repairs and other modifications from time to time. Sometimes, not sometimes, every day a vehicle will break down in the highway and they face a huge inconvenience because there is no authorized service center in this entire stretch of highway. If there is any problem with a vehicle, if they need anything, they have to go to Shillong, which is not on the highway itself. So it's a huge inconvenience for the public as a whole and for the owners of the vehicle in particular. So with the opening of this MH & Sons enterprise, I'm sure all of those difficulties will be alleviated up to a great extent. This authorized service center, by way of being located right on the highway itself, will definitely serve the public in a long way. It will help the people of the district in particular very immensely. So once again, it is a huge undertaking, and I'm very proud to see that a family from our district has taken this initiative to set up such a service center in order to help the district.
Congratulations to Kynjing family for setting up a beautiful workshop here, and I could see it has been thoughtfully made with each and everything in mind, right from driver, mechanics, each and every room has been thoughtfully made so that we serve our customers well. We have got a vision of serving our customers within 2 hours. That's the reach time we have promised our customers, and I'm sure this workshop is certainly going to help us to achieve that objective. And the way the workshop has been made, the way I see the people here, they are all geared up to flock and serve our customers. And I'm sure, we will meet that objective of providing Sampoon Seva to our customers within 2 hours. We definitely had issue here in terms of reach time to our customers, and we could not reach the way we wanted to be. But yes, MH & Son Enterprises, congratulations again for setting this beautiful workshop. It will certainly help us to gain market share. We already are the leaders, and you will walk with us to become leaders, and I wish you that you make many more workshops like these, and in future you become our dealers who can sell our vehicles. Whatever we do, we keep customer in mind to ensure that he gets best of the services. And you can see, a lot of Tata trucks are plying here, and you can't see competition here. I want MH to help us to serve our customers, give better service so that it leads to better sales. We have got around 1,500 workshops across the country, and this will be, I think, 1,502 or 3 workshop, apart from the containers and MSW's mobile workshops which we have. And I pray Almighty for your success, and may Lord shower His blessings to Kynjing family in terms of serving our customers, doing good to the people, and helping the people of the community, creating jobs for people, creating more wealth for people. Again, many congratulations, and I wish you all the success. Have a good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much.
I appreciate the entire team, the effort which the entire family has put in, the beautiful couple they have put in along with the siblings, and the entire team of Guwahati which they have put in a beautiful workshop. So as Mr. Jalali has mentioned, it's just the beginning. We need to expand our wings in a multiple folds, and it has been very thoughtfully being made. Almost 8 bays. In the past, we had partnered with Meghalaya and many of the northeastern states to put up ITIs, government-approved ITIs, which was co-shared by Tata Motors. So that's the initiative what we have taken, which has given us good technicians in the front. So that will be a good opportunity. This setup which is being out here will employ a lot of ITA students, a lot of employment will be generated out of it, and the customers will be definitely benefited.